Okay. Soldering, take 2. Wheeler. WSB25HK. It's my soldering iron. Nothing special. Just gets hot enough to melt solder. Let's see. See if I could grab my... Whew, it's getting hot. See if I grab my tripod without burning things like my steering wheel. Let's screw this tripod on. Okay. Yeah. Let's see if I can zoom in here. Okay, that's what we're working on. Soldering tweeters. Tighten this up a little bit. And you're not even in. What the hell? Too much. There we go. Okay. Well, hopefully you guys can see. As long as I stay in the same vicinity, we're good. Oh, yeah. Just trying to... Trying to just get it right. I think I got it. Let's see if she works.
Yeah, I'm busy getting rich. I don't want trouble.
Works good. Hopefully you guys saw everything. Yeah, it's soldered in there. See if I can zoom in a little bit. Right there. It's not perfect, but it'll work for what I want it to. Alright guys, well, I'll unplug this thing and get back to work. It's a nice day. I'm gonna work on the Corvette a little bit later. And a Mustang. See ya. Bye.